my channel. Today I will start with lesson number 15, the first two Adavus of this lesson. So first I will show the Adavu number 1. So I will start with feet movement. Ta, tei, ta, dhi, tei, ta. Ta, tei, ta, dhi, tei, ta. So the feet movement is very easy. So in previous lesson also this feet movement has been used. So now the hand gestures. So mainly lesson number 15, the hand gesture is used are Dola and Alapadma. So let's begin. So first we need to hold like this. Left hand Dola Hasta, right hand Kataka Mukha. Start. Ta. So to change to Alapadma. Tei, ta. Dhi, tei, ta. Ta, tei, ta. Dhi, tei, ta. Again. Ta, tei, ta. Dhi, tei, ta. Ta, tei, ta. Dhi, tei, ta. Now, Adavu number 2. Again, the hasta is same. Dola. Ta, tei, ta. Dhi, tei, ta. So, feet movement is same. Just look into the hand gesture. So, the hand will come like this. In its place, it will be Kataka Mukha, and while moving around from the shoulder level, it will rotate and come in front. Same with the other side. Ta, tei, tei, ta. Dhi, tei, tei, ta. And feet movement is same. Ti, goes. Ta, dhi, tei, ta. Again, the second Adavu. Ta, tei, ta. Dhi, tei, ta. Ta, tei, ta. Dhi, tei, ta. Tei, ta. Dhi, tei, ta. Eyes also will move according to the hand. Ta, tei, ta. Dhi, tei, ta. Ta, tei, ta. Dhi, tei, ta.